Today we are gonna move our blue-tailed monitor into the zoo. This guy, who's gonna run away, has kind of an interesting story. He was surrendered to us with a largely inflated back leg. We weren't sure what was wrong with it. We made a whole video about it. Feel free to watch that. But basically, he went through an amazing transformation, and he now has a clean bill of health after surgery from our vet friend. And we decided, since we've kind of fallen in love with him, he's gonna live with us permanently now, and he's gonna move into the zoo. He was, of course, just on Aspen temporarily during his healing process, but he just got his clean bill of health, so we're gonna move him into the zoo in a more naturalistic setup now. And it actually works out really well because the woma python who lives in the exhibit we're gonna move him in is gonna move back here instead, because the woma python has never really been happy in the zoo. So let's go talk about what we have to do to that exhibit. So here's the enclosure we're gonna move him in. And by the way, blue-tailed monitor doesn't have a name yet. We still have to come up with a good name for him. Maybe by the end of this video we'll have one. But the woma pythons have never really liked this exhibit, it seems. They go off feet a lot. They're not utilizing all the space. They're just kind of sitting on this ledge. I think this is going to work out well because the blue-tailed monitor is an Australian species, and this is an Australian type setup, so the woma is just going to move in back to be part of our breeding program, which was the initial plan for them anyway, and now the blue-tailed monitor will get to live in the zoo. But that means we have to completely renovate this enclosure to be a blue-tailed monitor habitat, because this is more of a dry, arid grassland habitat set up for woma pythons. So some of the things we have to do to this enclosure are, first off, clean it. I have to repair the LED light up here. I, as in Ed, will repair this light because that woma likes to hang on this cord, and she has broken and disconnected the light, so that actually doesn't work at all anymore. You can see it's off up there. I have to finagle the lighting situation to make sure the basking temperature is right for a blue-tailed monitor, because I know it's not right now. And we have to switch out all this decor, because this is, again, kind of an arid setup, and we want this to look tropical, like what he would live in the wild. So first things first, I'm gonna clean it out. All right, I'm working on cleaning out the everything, and Ed tried to resolder the LEDs.
Yeah, so this should be
No, it's still going. Okay, you're good.
You just like zoomed way in on my face.
Yeah, sorry.
Like, oh.
Oh, sorry.
So this should be fixed.
Okay.
I had to peel through some glue that was there, and I did the new fix up there, but...
Well, the problem is the womas, when we'd switch them back and forth, but they would both hang by that wire, which would pull it out away from...
I'm gonna get some things and actually fix this.
Okay.
Like I need to do throughout the entire thing. But it's resoldered, so hopefully it works. You ready?
Gonna test it out.
3, 2, 1.
Yay!
Oh, there it is! Look at that.
Oh, it lights up like it's supposed to now.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Really dark back there.
It is really dark back there, weird. I'm going to clean this out, and then I think I'm going to add another little halogen up there to get the basking temperature up high enough for the monitor.
Did we ever check and see what temperature, or what,
many
UVBs these are?
Okay, well, all the substrate is out, and because of some of the dust becoming airborne, my nose is running. I don't know about yours.
Mine's running a little bit.
Yeah.
We had to actually rip this down because it was falling off in here.
Yep, look at that.
Yeah.
That was starting to come off. So we are going to, well, we ripped it off. We kind of cut it in half, so there's another half right there. But we're going to clean out here, going to get a rag, clean everything, and then we're going to reseal that to the front, because we definitely don't want this enclosure leaking since it'll be a more tropical setup.
Yeah, we're going to have to reseal everything in the front and then reseal the corner here.
Yeah.
As you can see, there's a gap right here.
Yeah, we don't want that.
No.
All right, so that's next.
I guess.
Sweet, it is cleaned out. The lights are fixed. I added an additional halogen so it'll get a little bit warmer in the basking area for him. We also fixed this ledge and added new silicone to prevent him from just prying this off and filling it with dirt. This will actually stay put now. We just have to wait for the silicone to finish curing. The outermost edge is cured, so we're going to continue with the build now. We just won't be able to add him until that's completely dry. So next, I guess is my favorite part, we're going to put substrate in, a nice tropical substrate, and start decorating it. Oh my gosh. My hands have not been this dirty before. At least since Zoo was done. Oh my gosh.
Did you take your wedding ring off?
No. Where's my ring? It must have fallen in here. Okay, I've been mostly on this side, so I know I had it. It's gotta be in here. This is gonna be like finding a needle in a haystack.
Alright, so I finally finished crumbling up the frozen dirt, and I'm pretty sure I lost a pinky due to it.
I lost a ring.
Did you find it yet?
No.
It's gotta be. Well, unless you didn't, you lost it someplace else.
No, oh, I found it.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Hooray, we're still married. That's how that works, right?
Yeah, we were not married for like 10 minutes there.
Oh, I missed my chance.
Okay, maybe I shouldn't actually keep it on me. If it's just gonna slide
maybe
off.
in a pocket. There you go.
There, it's in there. in
I'm
case
not
I
married
forget.
now?
Yeah, for until I'm done. Oh.
Alright, so why did we choose the cypress and dirt?
So we decided to combine a couple different substrates because we wanted it to have a natural look, which the cypress provides in like a natural, like Australian habitat for the blue-tailed monitor. We kind of looked up what their habitat looks like. And then the only problem with cypress is once it dries, in our experience, doesn't seem to rehydrate very easily. So you need something else to add to cypress if you're going to use it for tropical reptiles. So we used topsoil and mixed that into it. We're also open right now, so don't mind all the
Extra noises.
Yes, but we mixed in topsoil because that kind of acts as a nice glue to hold everything together, and that's what reabsorbs water really well when you're trying to rehydrate it. So the combination 50-50 cypress mulch and topsoil, I think is going to be perfect for this blue-tailed monitor. Oh, my hands, they're so dirty. Both of them are. Come here. I want to hug you. Don't spray me. No. I'm going to give you a big hug. Touch.
Okay, now you can
No. Okay, now we have to try to figure out how this sweet branch that's left over from the zoo build and we found in the greenhouse is gonna fit in here. We have one branch that we've just kind of left in there because that's in a good spot. You can like climb up and then climb over to the ledge. But we really like this branch because of this cool little notchy thing it has in the middle. So we definitely have to use
like
that.
It died and then it wrapped back around.
Yeah, how cool of a growth pattern there from that tree.
Let's see if we can just fit it in here.
Okay, that would help, but I feel like I'm just gonna get in the way.
Yeah, you probably would.
Yep. Oh, you're so close. You can do it.
Come on, baby. There we go.
Hey. It's too wide. Yeah, I don't think the door's gonna close.
Well, I mean, I could still probably wiggle, but then now we're just hitting the side.
Yeah.
So I think I need to cut
A little bit
this
off the
piece
edge.
off,
Yep, that
like
has to
about
go.
halfway. Cut maybe down to the forks,
Yep.
and then maybe I'll cut to here.
Yeah, I think that would work.
Okay.
So we realized we don't have any saws here. So Ed's trying a PVC cutter.
I mean, it works for a little bit before it gets too hard to squeeze.
Yeah.
With it being scored, I take it.
Oh wait, maybe it's not.
Oh, it's cracking this way.
Oh, whoops.
Why is it doing that?
We don't want that. There's a circular saw in the greenhouse. What if we just use that?
Yeah, we could do that. But it's dark out there.
It is dark out there.
It's
And we'd have to
scary.
plug it in.
That's where the monsters are.
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
So I got this one, so
Yep.
it doesn't look like it was cut. It looks like it was kind of snapped.
Okay, some more natural.
So this one had more of a cut, but it'll go. Watch.
Oh, jeez. Okay, I bet you blew out our camera's mic there.
That's fine. Look, now we have a branch.
Hooray! Bye. All right, now will it fit?
Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, cool. Look at that. He has so many branches to climb on now.
We might want to move that one, like, point.
Yeah, now there's too many branches in that corner. So can we, reverse that back one the other way? All right, we have plants and vines and branches and cool stones. And I think it actually looks like an Australian rainforest.
I think it does too.
That
looks
looks-
like the Cape of York.
Yeah, that looks pretty good. All right, so next is adding leaf litter. And I think we have some live oak. We can do some small leaves along with these big ones.
Yeah, I think so.
And then a water dish, and we're done.
All right, I think it looks good. Now comes the worst part of these builds.
My hands have what'd you say? Do you remember the worst part? Oh, the
The
mess.
worst part, yeah.
Yeah.
Now we have to clean up after ourselves.
And my hands have turned from normal to brown to red with blood. So that's been fun.
Put your blood, sweat,
Tears, Probably
and
soon.
swear words into this
I
build.
sure did with this build. But take a look. It looks...
Well, no, we have to clean first.
Oh,
we
we'll
can't show
clean-
it off
oh,
yet.
Okay. We'll clean, and then we'll show you the final result.
Look, it's clean.
Ta-da! Ready for the reveal?
Here you go. I'll give you the camera.
Okay. Our new, not woma python, I have to get a new sign,
No.
but new blue-tailed monitor exhibit is done. Look at that. He's gonna have so much room to explore, so much room for activities. We've got a basking spot here, and that is a very secure rock. And I put that there because the rock is gonna like absorb a lot of heat from the 3 halogens shining right at it. So we have a warm end, kind of more open, and then the cool end that's more tropical and overgrown. That vine was a jerk, but we got it in place.
Yeah.
It's there now. And
I put the glass in, but it's all frosty, so...
yeah, that was out in the greenhouse while we were working.
Yeah.
So once that is clear again, oh, we have to take Sandy's name off.
Yep, we do that.
Okay, and then he can go in. All right, dude. Oh, he's in his box.
Yeah,
of
he
course.
likes his humid hide.
Oh, wait,
Oh, no, he's behind his box.
behind it.
He's moved his thing.
Yeah, he's mad because the cave came out.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, there he is.
How you doing, man?
Hello, are you ready for your new home? Oh, he's not gonna like us here soon.
No, he's not gonna like me. Come here. Maybe if I just don't grab him and I just kind of
Yeah.
scoop him up. Yeah.
Oh, there you go. He's
Yeah.
calming down. Kind of.
Yeah.
I know when I was holding him, he just wanted to like lean over my hand
Now
and
he
not
wants
be.
to climb up me.
Yeah, he wants to go back in there too. But sorry, bud. You're gonna go out in the zoo.
Yeah, you have to go to your new home. There. You know how I was walking you around the zoo, showing you where you live?
Now you get to
You
move
get
in.
to move into this home right here. Stop it.
Aw. We're gonna have to put a post-it note saying that this is not a woma python inside.
I mean,
until
this isn't a woma python?
I mean, it looks pretty much the same.
Yeah, look at the long, slender tail.
Yeah, and the legs. I mean, technically, womas don't have heat pits, and neither does he. So they're pretty much the same
It's
thing.
exact. They don't. Neither of them have like pointy ears.
That's right.
Neither of them
Have fur.
make over $1 million a year.
Yeah. So this is essentially a woma python.
Yeah.
All right, let's throw him in.
Hey, buddy.
Oh,
Look at that.
big moment. Oh, right on the basking spot. Check it out. Look at that tongue go. You have all this room.
It's like I don't trust any of you.
Yeah. He's like, you're just gonna put me somewhere else the next day.
Yeah, you're gonna tease me with this sweet habitat and then put me in something else,
Look at
and
that.
then have a doctor come and rip my leg open.
That's right, yeah. No more surgeries for you, dude. You are all healed up. And he disappeared. And he's back there. Oh, I see his tail. Oh,
There we go.
are you gonna scale the wall? He is like really stretching his tongue out. I don't know if I've ever seen him flick like this before. Definitely inspecting everything around him. Look at him just climb up the wall. That's awesome. And he's hidden in a plant. Oh,
You can see his head.
Yeah, I
and
see
his
it.
long tongue.
I see a tongue sticking out from behind. Wow. Yeah, I think he's gonna have fun in here.
Yeah, I guess we should probably come back tomorrow and see where he's at.
Yeah, sounds good. Okay, let's see what he's up to. It's been a day. Oh!
He's been crawling all over. He just laid down in this basking spot.
Oh, did he just now?
Yeah.
Oh, buddy! Look at you basking on your rock.
He scales those sticks really well. He just like
Really?
with ease.
Oh,
Like
is
just
that,
boop, 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 boop.
oh! I missed him crawling around just now.
He was just down there on
Okay.
that rock looking around, and then he took like 6 steps and made it to his
Oh.
basking spot. Oh, he doesn't like us.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did we anger you yesterday? Well, it's okay. We're not gonna bug you anymore. You're done with surgery. You're done with meds. You are good to go. This is your forever home now, buddy. Aw, that's so cool. He's gonna love it in there. You already kicked some dirt in your water dish, too. That didn't take long. Good job.
You think he'd eat?
We could try to feed him. He might still be scared of us. Oh,
Yeah.
oh. He's a really good eater, though, so he might take it.
Oh,
Nope.
Nope.
Doesn't want the mouse.
Doesn't want it. I'll leave it in here for him.
There you go. He'll be able to find it later.
Yep.
Man, look at him, the way he explores and just scales the wall.
Yeah. He's gonna love this enclosure.
Yeah, I'm really happy with how this turned out. That is just great.
And he's got a little food platform now too.
Oh yeah, that'll actually be really nifty for feeding him. We can
Yes.
just leave offerings there for him.
It's like a surrendering to a god.
Yeah, that's right.
Here is your sacrifice, sir.
Well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this kind of revamping of the Woma Python exhibit, which now has that on it, so everybody knows that it's not a Woma Python in here, and we'll get a new sign. But yeah, there's always something new and exciting in the zoo.
Also,
oh, look, he already
he pooped in it.
That must mean he likes it.
Yeah. Also, since he's becoming a member of Snake Discovery, he needs a full-time name.
That's right, we have not come up with a name yet.
It's been asparagus and
Alfalfa
and Thor, and none of those have been great for him.
No, we need something permanent, so please let us know in the comments. The video of his whole medical procedure and history hasn't come out yet, so there might be some great suggestions in the comments of that video when this video comes out. So if we have a name idea, or a name that we have chosen for him, it'll be right here on screen. But at the time
if not, Emily just waved her hands for no reason.
That's right. If there wasn't a name that appeared there, we actually still don't have a name for him. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you. Oh, Chloe wants attention.
Yeah. Oh, look at her back there. I can zoom in behind you.
Aw.
Oh,
yeah,
Hi,
she
Chloe.
wants to be seen.
Aw.
Thank you, Patreon backers, for your amazing support, and we'll keep you posted on how the blue-tailed monitor is doing. Welcome to the family, dude. He doesn't even appreciate us.
No, he doesn't.